seal is very important because this seal could easily grow mold inside, and also this seal sometimes has lots and lots of deposits, so it's important to make sure you open here and check. Oh, like for this one you can see there is a coin inside here. There is a coin there. Oh, there is this, there is sorts of things, eh? See, there is even this one here. There is this, all these things. And there is smell also. It's kind of smelly. There is a funky smell emanating from the gasket. Yeah. So you would want to check this area. Now you see all this. This area is very important. Now for this one, once you open like this, find there is the drum. But even before you clean the drum, you should seal is very important because this seal could easily grow mold inside, and also this seal sometimes has lots and lots of deposits, so it's important to make sure you open here and check. Oh, like for this one you can see there is a coin inside here. There is a coin there. Oh, there is this, there is sorts of things, eh? See, there is even this one here. There is this, all these things. And there is smell also. It's kind of smelly. There is a funky smell emanating from the gasket. Yeah. So you would want to check this area. Now you see all this. Found them there. Then there is apart from here, there is this area inside here again. You see, there is a lot of smell. As you can see here, it's easy for mold to grow. You see, because of the deposit. There is a lot of deposit here, and also you see the way it is. It is very dirty, and in fact, with time, mold was to grow here. You can see the kind of dirt you get from there. So what I normally do, I just use a baking soda water solution with a microfiber towel and clean inside here gently, so as to remove all the dirt that is inside there. So using baking soda water solution, I just come with my towel like this and just wipe inside here. See? Just like this. Just clean inside here. Just go around gently so as not to ruin the gasket. Just go around cleaning like this. Like this. Just like this. Just here. Make sure you clean it and then make sure you go around and clean. Around and remove. As you can see, this place now is clean, like that. So once I finish that layer, I told you there are two layers, I come to this other one here. Now this one is the one that is so dirty. It is the one that is so dirty, this one here. As you can see, now see, all that. You can see all those deposits. So you just remove with the water solution. And it's good if you can use warm water, okay? Yeah. Just use warm water, clean all this area. Make sure that you are removing all this. See? Can you imagine you clean your clothes here? You think they are clean, but the kind of smell you get from your clothes, you are like, hi. So it helps to know how to do this. Huh? You can see the kind of dirt that is coming from there. This place, this is where a lot of dirt deposits. Then just make sure to go around like this. But the most sensitive area is down here. So do like this. So like at the top there isn't much, but here is where there is a lot. So now once I've done here, now to make sure that you don't experience such a thing. We've come to the end of today's video, and if you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.